Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will update you guys for my dog. I will visit her in the clinic, okay, vet clinic. So I will go there now. I am ready to visit her. I talked to the to the clinic. I talked to them. I called for update, and they said Chicana, Bumit, and poops also since yesterday and this morning. So I will go there. I will try to find out what is going on again, or if she's getting healthy or getting sick. But I don't know. As you can see my eyes, I keep crying, guys. I can't help when myself to not to cry, because I really love my dog. And okay, let's go. Let's check. So I'm here, guys, in the vet shop. Ayan. So we'll get inside now. Let's check Kana if she's doing better or what. Good morning. Bubbles. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so happy. Hi, my love. Hi. Oh my God. That is my first time to see you again. Ang bango mo. Naligaan ka ba nila? Hindi ka. Bango mo. Ah, look at this. Sige na, look at. I love you so much. Oh, yeah. No, you cannot go out then. No, kaya kasi magsuka ka. Diara ka, okay? Okay? Oh my God. I love you to see you.
She don't want me to go home. She really wanted to go out in the cage.
Ingana na to, pero ngaron nag-ano na siya. Pag-ingana siya, excited na siya. Ayun na. Ay, ang bait-bait ng bebe. Ang bebe ni mama. I love you, Chicana. Oh, ayaw na pagsuka ha. Dili na magsuka ha. Dili na magsuka. Dili na magsuka. Dalawang lingod siya, no? Ano man? Ano man? Ala! Dalawang lingod siya. Ay, ang bait-bait naman ang bebe ni mama. Hi, Chicana! Look at me, my love. I miss you, Chicana. Hoy, nga naman ang bebe. Ha? She's responsive now and she wiggle. Bakit? Oh, why? What happened? She suddenly stopped. But a while ago, she was very, active. Hi! You okay? You want to poo? You want to poo, my love? Huh? Chicana, guys, second day here and the clinic. Okay, she's getting better now. Okay, and tanawa be she have dextrose, but anyway, she's getting better, and yeah, she's going well also. We will wait for 24 hours without vomiting, and then if she eat already, then she can be discharged here. Okay. Okay, my love. So you must be good girl, okay? You must be good girl. And she's very happy to see me, guys. I love my dog. This is my stress reliever, guys. This morning, I called the doctor here. They said that she vomit this morning and last night also, and poops also. So, they will observe again for 24 hours if she vomit or not. Then if she vomit, she cannot go out. If she did not vomit for 24 hours, no vomiting, then first. Okay? Thank you for your love and support for my Chicana. I would like also to say thank you to Uncle Tomas, to Mike, and also to Bat Signal. Thank you for supporting my Chicana. Okay, thank you for your love. And yeah. So guys, that is Chicana today. Chicana is feeling better now. I'm so happy. The doctor said they will observe for 24 hours without vomiting. If she did not vomit for 24 hours and can eat food, then she will be discharged. Yeah, tomorrow maybe. So I am hoping she will get better now, and yeah, I'm so happy to see her. Later again in the afternoon, I will visit her again. And I'm so happy. Now she's sad. Look at that dog. She's sad because I'm going home now. But I am done playing with her. And yeah, she's okay. Chicana! Chicana, my love! She felt better. And yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you again, guys, for keep supporting my channel and keep supporting my Chicana. Thank you, ayan, to Bat Signal, Uncle Tomaso, and to Mike. Ayan, thank you very much to all of you. Thank you very much to all my friends out there who keep supporting Chicana. I'm so happy. That's all, and see you again later, guys. Yoki na, my love. Tanawa, Chicana. Chicana. Pagawaso na gud siya, no? I love Chicana. I miss you. Magulit na ka dito sa balay, ha? Magulit na ka sa balay. Ugma, no? Dili na magsuka, ha? Dili na magsuka. Ang baby, she's very okay now. She's playful. Hopefully she will not vomit. Will be everything okay. Oh, she's very, she keep licking me. Hoy, masa ka dihan to? I love you, Chicana. I love you, Chicana. I love you, Chicana. I love you, Chicana. I love you, Chicana.